Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: a theme-capable editor or web environment and access to the code block markup. Once confirmed, pick a base dark palette and consider contrast. This affects readability and accessibility. Then, create or target the code block container. Add a specific class or data attribute so you can scope styles. Start with simple CSS rules for background and text, because instant visual feedback helps iterate quickly. Make sure to save and preview as you change values. Now implement the detailed styles and syntax highlighting. You should define background, foreground, and caret with HSLA or hex so translucency and vibrancy work consistently. Next, map token colors, keywords, strings, comments, functions, and numbers to distinct hues to aid scanning. Use CSS variables to store these values. This lets you swap palettes without changing many rules. Once done, integrate with your highlighter or language parser so tokens receive the correct classes. Test multiple languages to verify token coverage. Finish by wiring a theme toggle and persisting the choice. Use prefers color scheme for defaults and a toggle button or user setting for control. Then optimize spacing, line height, font family, tab width, and wrapping so long lines remain readable. Make sure to include focus styles and any selection color so keyboard users are comfortable. If something breaks, inspect CSS specificity and resets first. Conflicting rules or missing token classes are the usual causes. Finally, test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.